Hello friends, today we are going to start preparation methods of aldehydes and ketones. There are some general methods of preparation. First one is by oxidation of alcohols and another from hydrocarbons. First we will study by oxidation of alcohols. There are two ways of oxidation. First by using oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agents like acidic, potassium dichromate, KMnO4, nitric acid and chromic acid, that is CrO3 plus H2O. Then another one method is by heating with copper. First we will see oxidation of alcohols by using oxidizing agents like acidic potassium dichromate, KMnO4, HNO3 or chromic acid. Aldehydes and ketones are prepared by oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols. That is, aldehydes and ketones are prepared by oxidation of primary alcohol and secondary alcohols respectively, by using oxidizing agents like acidic potassium dichromate, KMnO4, HNO3, chromic acid, etc. First, we will study preparation methods of aldehyde. That is oxidation of primary alcohol. A primary alcohol on oxidation using oxidizing agents like chromic acid gives aldehydes. That is, we can write OH group attached to primary carbon atom is primary alcohol. It is primary alcohol, and carbon atom attached to OH called as alpha carbon. A primary alcohol on oxidation by using chromic acid, it gives nascent oxygen. We have studied in redox reactions, oxidation is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. In this oxidation of primary alcohols, in this case oxidation is removal of hydrogen, removal of one hydrogen from hydroxyl group and removal of another hydrogen from alpha carbon, and these two hydrogens combine with nascent oxygen given by chromic acid to form H2O. And what is that we have left is our desired product, that is aldehyde. Then see here R C double bond O and then H, it is aldehyde. That is primary alcohol on oxidation by using chromic acid, it gives its corresponding aldehyde. This aldehyde form, it further undergoes oxidation. In this case oxidation is addition of oxygen. Under chromic acid condition, it gives nascent oxygen. In this case oxidation is addition of this oxygen between this bond to form its corresponding carboxylic acid, that is RC double bond OH, it is corresponding carboxylic acid. In this way, a primary alcohol on oxidation using chromic acid, it gives its corresponding aldehyde. Then this aldehyde formed further undergoes oxidation by using chromic acid to gives its corresponding carboxylic acid. For example, ethanol. Ethanol on oxidation using chromic acid, it gives its corresponding aldehyde, that is ethanol. And this ethanol on further oxidation by using chromic acid, it gives its corresponding carboxylic acid, that is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. The aldehyde formed is further undergoes oxidation to form its corresponding carboxylic acid, and reaction does not stop at aldehydic, that is first stage. Best reagent for preparations of aldehydes is pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate it is abbreviated as PCC. It is mild oxidizing agent. It oxidizes primary alcohol, it oxidizes primary alcohol to its corresponding aldehyde, and further oxidation of this aldehyde does not takes place. For example, ethanol on oxidation by using PCC, that is this pyridinium chlorochromate, it gives its corresponding aldehyde, that is ethanol. And further oxidation of this ethanol does not take place. Under this method, we will study preparations of ketones. That is by oxidation of secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol on oxidation using oxidizing agents like chromic acid gives its corresponding ketone, that is this OH group attached to secondary carbon atom, it is called as secondary alcohol. This secondary alcohol on oxidation using chromic acid, it gives its corresponding ketone, that is oxidation. In this case, removal of one hydrogen takes place from hydroxyl group, and removal of another hydrogen takes place from alpha carbon atom. These two hydrogens combine with nascent oxygen given by this oxidizing agent to form water molecule, and what is that we are left is our desired product, that is ketone. This is R C double bond O and R prime, that is ketone. For example, this is propane 2OL. Propane 2OL on oxidation using oxidizing agent like chromic acid, it gives its corresponding ketone, that is this is dimethyl ketone, that is called as, its historical name is acetone. Secondary alcohols can also be oxidized to ketones by using PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. Oxidation of alcohols by heating with copper. Aldehydes and ketones are prepared by passing the vapors of primary and secondary alcohols respectively over hot copper powder. It is primary alcohol, when vapors of primary alcohol are passed over hot, that is at 573 Kelvin hot copper powder, then oxidation takes place. Here oxidation is removal of hydrogen. In this case, removal of hydrogen takes place by the removal of one hydrogen from hydroxyl group and another hydrogen from alpha carbon atom to form H2 molecule. Therefore, this process, it is also called as dehydrogenation, that is removal of hydrogen. And what is that we have left is our desired product, that is aldehyde. R C double bond O H. This is aldehyde. For example, ethanol, when vapors of ethanol are passed over hot copper powder, that is at 573 Kelvin. In this case also, removal of one hydrogen from hydroxyl group and another hydrogen from alpha carbon to form H2, and what is that we have left is our desired product, that is ethanol. Then preparation of ketones. Preparation of ketones. When vapors of secondary alcohol are passed over hot copper powder, then oxidation, that is removal of hydrogen, takes place. This process takes place by the removal of one hydrogen from hydroxyl group and another hydrogen from alpha carbon to form H2 molecule, and what is that we have left is our desired product, that is ketone. R C double bond O R prime, that is ketone. For example, this is secondary alcohol 1, 2, 3, that is its name is propane 2OL. When vapors of this propane 2OL is passed over hot copper powder, then oxidation takes place, and in this case also removal of this hydroxyl hydrogen and this alpha hydrogen takes place to form H2 molecule, and what is that we are left is our desired product, that is its corresponding ketone, that is CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is 1 2 3 3 carbon atoms, therefore it is propanone. In common name system it is also called as dimethyl ketone or acetone. The next general method of preparation, it is from hydrocarbons. In this method there are two methods. First one by ozonolysis of alkenes, and next one is by hydration of alkynes. First we will study by ozonolysis of alkenes. Alkenes react with ozone in presence of an inert solvent like CCl4 to form its ozonide, that is alkene ozonide. This alkene ozonide on decomposition in this way in presence of zinc dust and water to form carbonyl compounds. Let us see first fragment, that is carbon attached to oxygen, that is this one is carbon attached to oxygen, and another is this carbon attached to oxygen, that is oxygen attached to this carbon in this way, plus this oxygen goes to this zinc dust to form ZNO. That is alkenes react with ozone in presence of an inert solvent to form alkene ozonide. That alkene ozonide on decomposition in presence of zinc dust and water molecule to form carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones, or aldehydes or ketones, that is aldehydes and oblique or ketones. For example, it is propene. Propene, when reacts with ozone in presence of an inert solvent to form propylene ozonide. This propylene ozonide on decomposition in presence of zinc dust and water molecule decomposition in this way to form its fragments. Let us see which are fragments. First fragment is carbon attached to hydrogen CH3, carbon attached to CH3 and this hydrogen, and this carbon attached to oxygen, that is C double bond O, plus this carbon, it is attached to two hydrogens and one oxygen, that is OCH, plus this oxygen goes to zinc dust which forms ZNO, that is it forms, this is acetaldehyde and this is formaldehyde plus ZNO, that is propylene when reacts with ozone molecule in presence of an inert solvent to form propylene ozonide, which on decomposition in presence of zinc dust and water molecule to form acetaldehyde, formaldehyde and ZnO. In this case, this carbon-carbon double bond undergoes breaking, that is ozonolysis. Lysis means breaking and ozonolysis means breaking by ozone molecule, that is breaking of this double bond by ozone molecule takes place. Consider another example. It is 2-methyl propene when reacts with ozone in presence of an inert solvent like CCl4 to form its ozonide, that is CH3 COC, then this bonding and 2 hydrogens. This ozonide undergoes decomposition in this way in presence of zinc dust and water molecule to form its fragments. Let us see, first fragment is CH3 C double bond O, that is it is a ketone, its name is propanone, plus next fragment is CH2 C double bond O, that is formaldehyde, plus this oxygen goes to this Zn to form ZnO. That means in this case it is propanone, that is a ketone, it is formaldehyde, that is a aldehyde, and zinc dust. In this case we have seen both are aldehydes. In this case one of the ketone and one aldehyde, that means final product is an aldehyde or ketone or aldehydes and ketones. Then the next method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones from hydrocarbons is by hydration of alkynes. Alkynes react with water molecule in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate. In this case, in water molecule, hydrogen has positive charge and hydroxyl group has negative charge. This H plus approaches to this carbon atom, then this electron pair shift towards this carbon atom, therefore this carbon acquires positive charge, therefore this hydroxyl, that is having negative charge, approaches to this positive carbon atom, therefore the addition product formed is double bond and here is hydrogen. This is addition product. In this case this is double bond, that is alkene double bond, therefore suffix En, and this is alcoholic hydroxyl group, therefore suffix OL, therefore this addition product is enol form. It is unstable, therefore this electron pair from between hydrogen and oxygen goes to this, then this electron pair, pi electron pair goes to this carbon atom, therefore this hydrogen in the form of H plus goes to this carbon atom, then to form its stable product, that is double bond O, H and H, that is to form aldehyde or ketone. That is alkynes react with water molecule in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate to form addition product, that is enol form. This enol form is unstable, therefore this undergoes rearrangement to form this stable form. It is called as keto form. Keto form is more stable than enol form, therefore this arrow in this way. These are two tautomers. Tautomers are structural isomers. They interconvert each other, and this phenomenon it is called as tautomerism. Consider one example. Ethane reacts with water molecule in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate to form its addition product. That is, this hydrogen goes to this carbon atom, this OH group goes to this carbon atom to form its addition product CH-OH double bond H. It is enol addition product. This further undergoes tautomerism. It is unstable. It undergoes tautomerism. In this case, this electron pair goes here, then this pi electron pair shift towards this carbon atom. Therefore, this hydrogen without electron pairs, that is H plus form, goes to this carbon atom CH, C double bond O, CH, H, and this hydrogen. It is keto form, and it is CH3CHO, that is its name is two carbon atoms, therefore its name is ethanol. It is an aldehyde. Consider another example. It is propane. It reacts with water molecule in presence of 40% sulfuric acid, 1% HgSO4, that is mercuric sulfate, to form its addition product, that is CH3COH double bond CH. It is enol form. It is unstable. It further undergoes tautomerism to form, that is this electron pair goes here, then this pi electron pair shift towards this carbon atom. Therefore, this hydrogen in the form of H plus goes to this carbon atom CH3 C double bond O CH H. Its name is CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond O CH3. Its name is propanone, that is it is a ketone.